To enable the backup on Google Photos, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end in our part. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to enable the backup on Google Photos on your device. Now, if you want to enable the backup on Google Photos from your device, but you don't know how to do it, then you just need to open Google Photos on a device. So simply open Google Photos and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, then you won't be able to back up the photos in Google Photos. So simply tap on the profile icon at the very top right, and here you will see various options like switch account, backup is off, unlock the power of Google Photos and useNfix. So you may simply click on the option of turn on backup from here. But if it doesn't work, then click on the option of photo settings, and here you will see the option of backup at the very top. So click on it and simply toggle on the button, and you just need to select the photo, or you just need to select the mail in which you want to backup. So I'll simply tap on the mail, and that's it. That's how you can simply enable the backup on Google Photos. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.